once you invite foreign investors, you have to give them some benefits. So these benefits are outlined and given to them. The market is working at the highest capacity. Security transaction is at the highest levels, STT, security transaction, taxes, capital gains also short term, long term. So government is getting fair amount of that. Now when they were given the IFSI route, so if anybody who comes through IFSI route and has, say they invest from there, then they don't have to pay the STT, no GST, no tax has to be paid.
This is about the novel.
No, so I'm trying to tell you that government is very pretty clear that these were the objectives of bringing FIs to India. So as of now, we have received nothing from SEBI. Rather, we are doing a high-power study group with SEBI, with representatives from NSE, with representative from BSC. Day before yesterday, I was with the Reserve Bank Deputy Governor and their ED. So maybe they will also give their representatives. A high-power group has been made from experts from India and internationally, who would ultimately create value and ensure that before a scam or a fraud occurs, the early warning signs are identified and communicated to the SEBI officials. Most of it will emerge as a leader. तमाम दुनिया हमारी GCC infrastructure को देख रही है. It will emerge as the leaders of GCC, and other people will be gainfully employed as will have certain entrepreneurs setting up their own GCCs. So it is for the benefit of the membership and particularly for chartered accountants who are well trained to undertake professional work in these areas.
Any number you would like to say?
देखिए साहब, नंबर तो हमारे पास है. हम $100 बिलियन की देखते हैं कि टर्नओवर होनी चाहिए, और ये सब देखिए एक अंदाजा है. और जीसीसी का, हाँ जीसीसी का, और आज के समय में जितनी शिद्दत से काम कर रहे हैं, अगर हम सब इसकी तरफ एट्यून हो जाए तो इट कैन surpass all boundaries which have been determined by us.